meaningful, especially because, we're the first senior class at Johnson, so just to be able to give back to community, it feels great, and just to know that, there's something out there that I put my hands on and made with my buddies, so it's definitely a great feeling.
I like that we get to all cooperate and we all have fun doing it, and we enjoy giving back to the community. And all the elementary schools that don't have picnic tables are now getting picnic tables. A good bit of them actually. So it feels pretty good.
It's been a good experience for the kids. When they started, they were pretty green, and by the time we ended, they were pretty confident what they were doing. We put together a quality product that should last a long time for Hayes.
So that was the ultimate goal, is having our kids feel that satisfaction of working with their hands and providing a product that is 100% acceptable and something that they did with their own hands. I think it'll last them a lifetime.